It's a good question. The gum lift is a procedure we do quite often with cosmetic dentistry, but it's not something people often know exactly what it is. Sometimes, technically, it's called crown lengthening, but we like to call it a gum lift because it makes more sense. So when you see someone who has a smile, but they show a lot of gum when they smile, and that's just the position of their lip, and they really can't control that. We can sometimes reduce that when we're doing porcelain veneers, or sometimes even when we're not, by removing some of that gum tissue, okay? When we do that, most commonly, we're moving just a little bit, and we use a laser, and it barely hurts, it heals very quickly, and it can make it so that there's less gum and more of a beautiful smile. Now, sometimes it's because they're showing too much. Very commonly, though, it's because the gums are just a little uneven. So people look at your smile and they'll think their smile looks uneven, the teeth are kind of slightly different sizes, and they don't really know why it doesn't look symmetrical and what's off, because the teeth almost look the same. It's the gums. The gums will start up here, then go down here, and kind of go like this on some people's teeth. So when we're doing porcelain veneers, we're always looking at that, and we'll kind of sculpt it and make it look more even, so it's all symmetrical, harmonious. So that's what the gum procedure is. Sometimes, if there's a lot of gum or a lot of bone up there, sometimes it does have to be a slightly more difficult procedure. We have to remove a little bit of gum and a little bit of bone also. It becomes an extra procedure when we do that. It just takes a little longer to heal. But when we do that, if the person needs that, that's when you'll see these huge transformations. It doesn't even look like it's the same person smiled before and after, because there's so much changed. But it's a great procedure and something we'll use quite often to do whatever we can to make the most beautiful natural smiles possible.